of counsel granted the defendant, Irabo Isaac, bail in the sum of 150,000 naira in two shorties who must be blood relatives, resident and own landed property in Benin City and must be civil servants. The case was adjourned to the 29th of November 2023. Meanwhile, police sources revealed that the two other suspects involved in the case, who are now at large, identified as Ogogo Irabo alias Ajepkako.
My people, wanna beware of 419 Foundation Orphanage for Benin. Ajepkako Orphanage for Benin na 419. No be lie, my people. We no Yahweh 419 rio yara rio ya towe. Many things full in hands. Una go even hear for your ex-wife to confirm and say, man wey be say no dey take care of him pikin. He wan go dey open orphanage for Benin. Una see all those food una go dey give, all those idomi una go dey give. He go carry them, go sell am. Na so he dey tell the do am. He say because too much of idomi una dey carry come. So my people, a real orphanage, the way when they're supposed to dey do something. When you see say something many wey be say people bring come for you as a person wey get good heart, according to wetin you dey do, you want to dey help the less privileged. Wetin you do, you go carry those food go give another orphanage because they need am. Because sometimes person fit come my orphanage they no carry go another person maybe they get something wey be say e no many for their place again. Me wey dey carry something come give, I see say I get am many, wetin I go do? Shebi I go still carry because of the good heart wey I get, go give another orphanage. But Isioluk odafe widow Ajepkako, e no dey do like that. This orphanage one dey see for years, so now they talk about na 419 na e be. Na thief. E say na wetin e like to dey do. Person wey like to dey do something, e say na e dream. But e dream, e no put any 1 cent to say, this one na my dream. I want to make I start am. E open e dream for una head for abroad. My brothers and sisters, more na no mumu for anybody again. If you want give something to orphanage, find the good one, the best one, the one where you know say yes, that's your money. It really they go to those children. And this is your look where we they talk about. So the orphanage way open. Hey, my brothers and sisters. No be say e open now. Hey, wo na e brother pikins. Those children wey dey there, na e brothers, na e brother born and na e put for there. Then the manager wey dey there, na e senior brother, na e dey there. So anything one dey carry dey come. Una know wetin the way they tell dey do am. The man go carry. That is the manager wey dey there wey put for there, which is the brother. Una go even hear am for this video wey I put for una for here. Na e brother dey operate and na e dey there. The man go carry wetin una bring come, go carry go give e family for house. My people, more na no come abroad come dey feed another person family. In way be say get the orphanage, e no dey put 1 cent because why? E no dey work 24 hours. E go there for live video. E go insult e head. E go insult person wey no near am. Now so na only that one e get to do. E say e be CEO wey be say e no even know how to talk to anybody. Before woman go just open mouth, e go say the woman, na so the woman come dey toast am. But una be careful because I know say na una wey be women, na dey carry something go there. One day be one day, e go still carry una come for live video. E go say na so una come dey call am every night. Na so una come dey do many things because una want am, una need am. E say e too fine. Mona be careful. This person, Mona not trust am. One lady wey dem dey call Ito and Douglas, e do good for this man. Last my people, if una see wetin e do this woman, you as a woman, you go come dey cry for this woman. This woman give her house to take dey for that orphanage. He say no worry, I get house wey this I no dey use, I go give you, make you take dey do orphanage. Last my people, wetin this man talk, I go even put am for here. He say when he go beat the woman, beat am. He said the woman go come out, come use the man take talk say he don sleep with this married woman. My brothers and sisters, run for this orphanage if you no want make your house destroy. Because wetin he no do, he go say he do, and they use am take curse am say the food wey he no eat, na dem go dey see for im mouth dey go. My brothers and sisters, make una not dey throway una money, una still get una papa, get una mama. If you no get papa, get mama, you get your brothers children. If na only that one, dey feed them. Or people wey dey for your street, dey carry food, dey go dey give them, dem go dey bless you, dem go thank you. This one na agbomayese number 1, number 2. This one na agbomayese. Woman wey carry am come igbeyese. This lady wey dem dey call it one Douglas, ona dey igbeyese. Ema ya fefe no erijo but wey dey give am help. Na so e dey gbiyan ya yese. Dan ogba be un dan agbonari ave na e be. Make una put una money for inside pocket o, make una not throw away am. Nowadays, the worst part of it, my people, the orphanage wey e dey, e come abroad 1999. E no even get one room. Na so they carry mama up and down for rent. Can you imagine? Abeg, if you use this person to do papa, you and your normal ye better, because this kind person wey be say na failure upon failure, na e be. Abeg, run for your dear life, because bonolele here oye gedegbe oye nyeke, because woman wey be say carry am come through DA share omaloto. Ohoni, he abandon Pikin, 2 children for the woman hand. That woman say, ehinyo ba o wa gbonore na. So na the course na they follow and they go. And this man, na so women, na he be say he go dey like asun be winya. Who get me no gbekita we aswe. Make I put this video, more help me share this video, love and like.
Yes, hello, marvelous. Ko yo buta. Ko peni ke TOS uma mwe phone, you know. My brother, is sad news, but please, every sad you understand. But really, I have to break it out to you. So he said, "Do we understand? Control our report. The man will make a problem in it. And he can really Frankfurt airport. They control our road. They told my country black here. But at the end of the day, I'm he come around level 30 why I said to say because first month wa ila level 30 mesedo ise park tie oseme si ni wa we fi oseme no si keme no do Pikin o mo motor o do Pikin meso wane ni ma we ya gegire ni ima we re ave do a itu o me you know so meso wa ina one so ma lele gbe ari ibai meso si me no do Pikin me because you do Pikin me ma yi iwan if we ma danyo of your moto me ya self ibai so me ya gwe osimo we gwa we ibai me ige ye be bumero we ye answer get ye me one ye dey gbe bumi ade there's no problem af ye gbo you wa mene ekporu wa ena wo ma se me so me we ya so ni la wa me dey gbe we la wa ime ibe wanyo me ma ko ye be suwo wa ogie say 30 minutes ba me la wa ni ya iku my brother ekpo ni ni wa mulenya ni we there no wa mi eni me iwe ni so that you go no roll ni do if you ele ise me wa get my brother 3,000 euro online go na ire cause you go no if you me for 4,000 envelope para no you understand me even wa be envelope o pari e be at the end the envelope para me even do get 4,000 pa 1,000 kebo pa so at the end of the day do ya we e point na 3,000 so it's not really me ya iso ihon wae iso wae ero wari ati o se move do se baba na ke do tie we na si my brother imagwale lo edu hia amami kire po na jo na ka na ka ma me wi e ke no na no tutayi no gba wi e ke no tutayi so my brother ye gwa lo we na wa gwa na na we I have to tell you me mai kolo wo kime ma he me no ma gi aye na I have to tell you what they are here no ka be in so la wo receive a message na try no tie me be WhatsApp more you know so to my brother every feedback more
only when government say make they give the children a 300 euro make they ask whether they give them 50 euro for it what they give them 1 centime we start from Spanish money or Europe money I mean okay 1 centime whether they give them let me ask them okay if they get any question where they want ask me make they ask me okay. Make they ask me I think they say I get the explanation. I think they say I don't get the explanation. I don't get time to explain to them. But if they feel say the women feel say me and carry their husband. Mama, what invest me?
You know what invest me for? What make me come pray for you? Say God of our access will continue to bless you. Now what thing I hear for Ajema say even one of our social media presenter called me from phone, say when I can't talk and say Ajay, he's not a man to be trusted. That one can't call me for say he know a woman. And so a woman they say what make Ajay come out. The woman they sleep around. Ajay will go walk before Ajay come back for walk. A woman they sleep around. He can't lie. And another person can't tell me. He say Ajay will go walk before Ajay come for walk. He will sleep with her. And now I can't tell and say, now I can't tell and say, make Ajay come swear put. If Ajay not to help you, they look after your children. Make you go walk home.
My brother, if they would look after my children, make I go work on I be the wahala, I be the problem now. Say, you look after the children, finish. At the end of the month, I will still pay her.
Okay.
Wait till they look that Pikin.
I did not hear
That's I get one daughter.
Okay.
I will still pay her. Mona ask her whether he never receive money from my hand. As the
Mama, wait, me I tell them. One second.
Mona tell her, make it come they bring money for children. Make come they give the children money.
Okay. Those money, madam, wait, 1 minute. Ajay, those money, this our sister they pay you that time when you will look after children, she will consider you will be papa with born Pikin. Your wife will still pay you. You can still look after the Pikin. Can't pay the money back. Can't pay the money back. Okay. Okay. Okay.
But don't wait, don't tell me, the person he contributes among of those things.
Okay.
Waiting in by me, they said the word now where they feel and where they wash him.
Yes.
His name is Owowo.
Okay.
His name is Owowo. So I know him. I brought it to Europe since 99. Not in 99, we know.
Okay. In the no be
I know since 95.
What to mama? In the no be
You understand? Normally, I'm not when they chop a duro where everybody don't know I've put for Europe.
So
In now go. If it be written now go. In a beginning name. Now you get so the way you know say you take money, make it go pay them.
Mama.
Not be only that might
Mama,
not take
he don't
money.
first do this type of thing for Spain before. He don't first carry person money before.
My brother, now when I walk,
Can I walk?
I don't first carry person money like that. So that one now when no I wouldn't have been as here. Why you go carry person money for Madrid? You still go carry for Germany where you never even reach 2 years.
Mr. Irabo Isaac, who was arraigned before Magistrate V.E. Oyekpe in the Akedelo Magisterial District on a 4-count charge, is alleged with others now at large to have between the year 2019 and 2023 at number 1 Market Square, Okwonwu community in Benin City, conspired among themselves to commit felony to wit, stealing, and thereby committed an offense contrary to Section 412 of the Criminal Law of Edo State 2022. The charges also include criminal damage of property of one Ituang Douglas, and thereby committed an offense contrary to Section 413 of the Criminal Law of Edo State 2022, as well as altering the structure of a building in an unsuitable manner without a consent, and thereby committed an offense contrary to Section 345 and punishable under Section 353 of the Criminal Law of Edo State 2022. When the charges were read to the defendant, Irabo Isaac, he pleaded not guilty. Prosecuting counsel N.A. Upebo Esquire was represented in court by Obey Musa Esquire, called for the diligent prosecution of the defendant towards ensuring that the nominal complainant, Ituang Douglas, gets justice. Presiding Magistrate V.E. Oyekpe, after listening to the submissions of counsel, granted the defendant, Irabo Isaac, bail in the sum of 150,000 naira in 2 shorties who must be blood relatives, resident and own landed property in Benin City and must be civil servants. The case was adjourned to the 29th of November 2023. Meanwhile, police sources revealed that the 2 other suspects involved in the case, who are now at large, identified as Ogogo Irabo alias Ajepkako